Okay, so here we are on a finished project. It looks absolutely gorgeous, adds value to the house, ties everything as far as color goes together, and just looks clean and bigger than it did. So the process was we came in, we started to clean the concrete. We realized right away that the concrete was a little bit suspect. We had some problems with the surface shaling off. So we ended up having to base coat this whole job, which we troweled out the I-coat base mix on there, let it dry for an hour or so, and then we taped off the pattern, troweled the texture out. We've obviously colored it, and it's got 2 coats of I-coat I-22 acrylic sealer on it that'll last for years and years and years. At I-coat Products, we manufacture all the materials that you saw us using here on this project. And if you want to do something at your home to improve the value of your house, we have installers all over the country and actually the world that can help you. If you want to take your old ugly concrete and make it look beautiful and tie your home together so that it looks stunning like this one, you can contact I-coat Products at 602-258-1114 or look us up on the web at www.icoatproducts.com.